them anyway.
What do you say?
Letter and I need help finishing our first donut. Ouch!
Hey, Bigby!
That about does it for today, mates.
And I have the burps to prove I will be Warrior of the Month.
Excuse me? You dug through all that snow just to get us?
Buttercup did most of the work.
Stupid muscle drink doesn't even work.
Mr. Krabs sold out of patty cakes 4 hours ago. It was a huge success. And I was the first one to try them.
Oh, excellent for you. Sounds like we found our Sultan Oat spewage. Now let's get back to favorite tunes.